June marks Men's Health Month, a dedicated time to focus on the health and well-being of men of all ages. This observance highlights the importance of early detection and treatment of various health issues that affect men. One critical aspect of men's health that often goes unnoticed is hormone optimization, particularly maintaining healthy testosterone levels as men age. Testosterone is a key hormone in the male body, responsible for numerous functions, including muscle mass, bone density, fat distribution, red blood cell production, and sexual function. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, often leading to symptoms such as decreased energy, reduced libido, mood changes, and loss of muscle mass. Optimizing hormone levels is crucial for maintaining overall health and quality of life. Engaging in both cardiovascular and strength training exercises can help boost testosterone levels. High-intensity interval training and weightlifting are particularly effective. A balanced diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates supports hormone production. Include foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, and plenty of vegetables. Quality sleep is essential for hormone regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night to optimize testosterone production. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can negatively impact testosterone. Practices such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help manage stress effectively. Maintaining a healthy weight is important as obesity is closely linked to lower testosterone levels. Regular exercise and a healthy diet are key to weight management. Both excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can negatively affect testosterone levels. Limiting alcohol intake and quitting smoking can lead to improved hormone levels and overall health. Certain vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D and zinc, play a role in testosterone production. Consider supplementation if you have a deficiency. Regular visits to a healthcare provider for routine checkups and blood tests can help monitor and manage testosterone levels effectively. While lifestyle changes can significantly impact testosterone levels, some men may require additional support through hormone replacement therapy. Prime Body offers a safe, convenient, and effective way to access care for hormone optimization. Prime Body connects individuals with experienced healthcare professionals who specialize in hormone therapy. Through telemedicine, patients can have virtual consultations, discuss their symptoms, and receive personalized treatment plans tailored to their unique needs. This modern approach ensures that men can access high-quality care from the comfort of their own homes. Medications prescribed by Prime Body are delivered directly to patients, providing a seamless and discreet experience. By leveraging the power of telemedicine, Prime Body makes it easier than ever to optimize hormone levels and improve overall health and well-being. June's Men's Health Month is the perfect time to focus on optimizing hormone levels as part of a comprehensive approach to men's health. By incorporating regular exercise, a healthy diet, adequate sleep, stress management, and other lifestyle changes, men can naturally boost their testosterone levels. For those needing additional support, Prime Body offers a convenient and effective solution through hormone replacement therapy. Embrace this month as an opportunity to prioritize your health and well-being and take the necessary steps to maintain optimal hormone levels as you age. Visit primebody.com to get started.